Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the subscapular spaces. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Watch this video. If you like my explanation, please subscribe. Subscapular spaces, also known as intermuscular spaces in the scapular region. And these subscapular spaces are three: one quadrangular space and two triangular spaces, upper triangle and lower triangle. And these intermuscular spaces located in the scapular region. These subscapular spaces seen clearly from behind after reflecting the posterior part of the deltoid muscle. These subscapular spaces clearly seen from behind after reflecting the posterior part of the deltoid muscle. The knowledge of these spaces is essential during surgery in the shoulder region. The knowledge of these spaces is essential during the surgery in the shoulder region. These spaces are located between the muscles. That's why we call that intermuscular spaces. And these are located in the scapular region. So subscapular spaces. Okay. See this figure. This figure shows all the three spaces: quadrangular space, upper triangular space, and lower triangular space. Okay. Quadrangular space, upper triangular space, and lower triangular space. First, quadrangular space. Boundaries of the quadrangular space: superior teres minor located posteriorly, subscapularis present in anterior superior, and between these two muscles, teres minor and subscapular muscle, shoulder joint capsule is present. The capsule of the shoulder joint present between these two muscles. And inferior teres major muscle, medial long head of triceps, and lateral surgical neck of humerus. These are the boundaries of quadrangular space. Okay. Superior teres minor, inferior teres major, medial long head of triceps muscle, and lateral surgical neck of humerus. See this figure. In this figure, this is the quadrangular space. Okay. This is the quadrangular space. Superior, inferior, lateral, and medial. Okay. And the borders of the quadrangular space: superior teres minor. Okay. This is the teres minor muscle. This is the long head of triceps. This is the teres major muscle, and this is the surgical neck. Okay. See the boundaries of quadrangular space. Superiorly teres minor, inferiorly teres major, laterally surgical neck of humerus, and medially long head of triceps. Okay. These are the boundaries of quadrangular space. See once again. Superiorly teres minor, inferiorly teres major, and laterally surgical neck of humerus, and medially long head of triceps. Next, what are the structures that pass through the quadrangular space? What are the structures that pass through the quadrangular space? Axillary nerve, posterior circumflex humeral artery, and vein. These are the three structures that pass through quadrangular space. See once again. One nerve, one artery, and one vein. Okay. Axillary nerve, posterior circumflex humeral artery, and vein. See here. This is the quadrangular space, and the structures passing through this quadrangular space are axillary nerve. See here guys, this is the axillary nerve, and the posterior circumflex humeral artery. And also vein pass through this quadrangular space but not shown in this diagram. This is the quadrangular space, and the structures pass through this quadrangular space are axillary nerve, posterior circumflex humeral artery and vein. Next, upper triangular space. Okay, upper triangular space. Triangle has only 3 sides. Okay, that's why triangular has only 3 boundaries: upper, lateral and inferior. Okay guys, superior, lateral and inferior. Superiorly, teres minor, lateral, long head of triceps, and inferior, teres major. These are the boundaries of upper triangular space. Superiorly, teres minor, laterally, long head of triceps, and inferiorly, teres major. These are the boundaries of upper triangular space. See this figure. This is the upper triangular space. Okay, this is the upper triangular space, and if you observe guys, the superior and inferior boundaries of quadrangular space, this is the quadrangular space and this is the upper triangular space. Superior and inferior boundaries of quadrangular and upper triangular space are same: teres minor and teres major. Okay, superior border of upper triangular space is teres major, this one, and the inferior boundary of upper triangular space is teres major, and the lateral boundary of upper triangular space is long head of triceps. Okay, these are the boundaries of upper triangular space. Next, what are the structures that pass through upper triangular space? What are the structures that pass through upper triangular space? Circumflex scapular artery. Circumflex scapular artery pass through the upper triangular space, and this artery interrupts the origin of teres minor to reach the infraspinatus fossa. This artery interrupts the origin of teres minor to reach the infraspinous fossa. See here, this is the upper triangular space, and the structure passed through this space is circumflex scapular artery. This is the circumflex scapular artery, and this artery interrupts the teres minor to reach or to origin from the infraspinous fossa. That's not important. That you have remember here is what is the structure that pass through the upper triangular space, that is circumflex scapular artery. See here, circumflex scapular artery. And the last one, that is lower triangular space. Okay, boundaries of lower triangular space: medial, lateral and superior boundaries are present to the lower triangular space. Superior, teres major; medial, long head of triceps; and lateral, shaft of humerus. These are the boundaries of the lower triangular space: medial, long head of triceps; lateral, shaft of humerus; superior, teres major. See this figure. This is the lower triangular space. Okay, this is the lower triangular space, and these are the boundaries of lower triangular space: superior, lateral and medial. and the superior boundary of lower triangular space is teres major. Superior teres major, medial long head of triceps and lateral shaft of the humerus. Shaft of humerus, laterally, medially long head of triceps and superiorly teres major. Okay, this is teres major, guys. This is teres major. Okay, that you have to remember here is superiorly teres minor is present. Okay, this is teres minor muscle and inferiorly teres major is present. Don't confuse here. On superior teres minor is present, on inferior teres major is present. Okay, all of you confused only here. This is teres minor, this is teres major, and the muscle that crosses the teres minor and teres major is long head of triceps. Okay, long head of biceps also present, but the muscle that crosses the teres minor and teres major is long head of triceps. Okay, this one. Okay, guys. And next, what are the structures that passing through the lower triangular space? What are the structures that passing through the lower triangular space are radial nerve, profunda brachii artery and vein. Radial nerve, profunda brachii artery and vein. These are the structures passing through the lower triangular space. See here, this is the lower triangular space. This is the lower triangular space, and the structures that passing through lower triangular space are radial nerve, profunda brachii artery. Okay, this is about the subscapular spaces, that is quadrangular, upper triangular and lower triangular spaces, and the boundaries of the subscapular spaces and the structures passing through these spaces. Okay, I think it is clear. If you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. And if you want any particular topic, reply me in comment section. I try to upload. Thank you, guys.